This is a utility trailer that I plan on taking down to Daytona Beach, Florida for the bike week in March. But it needs a little repair first. I have a rotten board here and as you can see, it needs replacing. So I'm just now getting ready to go down to the lumber store to get all this wood replaced. Well, we're here looking over the trailer. I'm getting ready to go down to the lumber store to get some lumber for this floor of the trailer. As you can see, it got a rotted out board here, and I'm going to replace it with some new pressure treated wood so it'll be in good shape when we head down. Cool Whip and I go down to Daytona this March. I've already got the tailgate off so I can stack it in here when we get down there. And there's a few other things I want to do before we hit the road with it down to Florida. I want to get the wheels off, check the wheel bearings and grease them, and put some new LED lights on it. So that's what I'm planning on doing today. When I get back with the wood, and I'll have another video showing how I do it, how I get the boards out of there. Thanks for watching. You told me to pull up here.
Hold on. Okay, now start.
What are you doing? I'm just gonna get some lumber, honey.
Okay, what did he tell you to do?
Just pull up here and I'll load it up in my trailer.
Okay, that's nice.
Push it all the way to the edge. You can. Yeah. Might have to cut a little off more. When you go to the lumber yard, be sure you inspect the boards that you're purchasing. Otherwise, they'll give you a defective board. I guess you all know with the inflation that we have, the cost of lumber is out of sight. So choose wisely, my friends.
Are you looking at? What are you looking at?
Well, I had looked some half the side of the board was missing.
Oh,
And then you need a 1, 2 by 10, 14. Yes. Walk it over to you real quick so you ain't got to pull all around.
you gonna keep that one?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the other way down. It won't matter.
Oh, all right.
So this one is under roof, so this is really dry.
That's gonna go on that one end over there. This one is in there.
That work for you?
Yeah, it'll work.
All right, so. Yeah, y'all enjoy your day.
I'm going to install these heavy-duty D-rings also. The LED lights made a huge improvement with visibility.